Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Panama 2. I'm joined by Zweli, Brian, Khamini.
Hola Stivo, hola bafans wethu. First of all, ngifuna ukubonga ama supporters Cape Town.
Sure.
They came in numbers. Bagcwalisa stadium sold out. Basinika that World Cup feeling.
Yes.
Yasikhumbuza ngo2010. Yanikeza nabadlali ukuthi mabayale yini okumele ba expect when it comes to crowd wise.
VAR.
Going to the game woyithula ama team mewasabana.
Sure.
Mewasabana. Because Mobega half time. 3 shots.
The whole game.
3 shots. First half. Both teams 3-3. 1-1 on target.
Sure.
Second half laba balithola igoli ke nathi salithola bashaya inet futhi le3. Okay, uzowina kanjani mongashuthi? Angeke uwine. Igoli lethu lize ngani? Ngokushuthi.
Yes.
Yabo. So ama player amaningi mewakhona namhlanje mebasaba ukushutha. Ugoalkeeper walaba simbone umbokazi makasukuma ngeshot. Asimbonanga the whole game.
Uzivele naye.
Abamtutsanga.
Abamrembula. Sibathembile uyangithola ngalama.
Ngiyezwa abanye bakhala ngomunye ukuthi uselfish. Uyazi sometimes mawufikile mele ube selfish nyana uzama ukushaya yabo. Unfortunately zanga kumvumela. Yes. But uyazi nawe ukuthi makathe uthole kahle ishot igoli.
Na last game ukorile.
Exactly.
No VAR. Man of the match ikabani izweni.
Anginayo man of the match.
Akunanix. Leyo khala ngalo ke ubani?
Engikhala
Eli1. Ukhala ngalo.
Iplayer.
Ndawo. Wona man of the match ngitshele ngale ukhala ngalo.
Ngikhala ngolento ngeLenas. Angeke siye ku World Cup udriver ngeLenas. Uya ku big stage uhamba ngeLenas. We need qualified abantu abane driver's license for a while. You can't go to the
World Cup ngeLenas.
Baba ungene kulento kubo N1 udriver ngeLenas. Uzoloku bhayizisa abantu lapha endleleni please. Akasali.
Lena no.
Ama Lenas awasale sambe ngama license anabo ma 2 years 3 years experience.
Uyangithola.
Asibonga.
Sure. Thank you Zweli. Athi ngifaka upha.